of course, we had to bring MeloDious back into the studio this morning. We have Micaiah, Matthias, and Memphis. You all are releasing your album. First of all, can I be the older brother? Is that okay?
We will
Can I be a part of this sibling? Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. I just wanted to make sure that was cool. Yeah. So you all are releasing an album. You all have been working very hard with this album. So tell us about the name of the album, when it's going to be released.
The name of the album is It the Way? And it will be released June 23rd.
Okay. Where did the name come from? How did you all come up with Is It the Way?
We came up with Is It the Way because on our journey as musicians, as artists, as people who are developing, we've gone through many doors. So it's really not one journey. There's been many doors open for us. There are some doors that have been shut, but we're all in it together. So we feel like we don't know yet which way is the way.
Yeah, so it's a question, is it the way?
Is it the way?
Gotcha. You all have a performance coming up too next month at Yoshi's in Oakland, right?
Juneteenth. It's the perfect Mother's Day gift. Please, buy your mom a ticket. Send her on a date night. Send her with some friends, you know? Come, it's gonna be a show you don't wanna miss.
Yeah, so one last thing. Tell us about this latest single, and then we're gonna let you all take it away.
This one's called Is It the Way?
Who wrote it?
Micaiah wrote this.
Okay. What was the inspiration behind that? Same thing with the album?
Same thing. Kind of just, that's why we kind of renamed the album Is It the Way? Kind of just ties all together.
Okay. Well, MeloDious plus, I consider myself.
Yes.
What's my name? We'll go with Malcolm.
Malcolm
Dempsey.
Yeah,
Is
there
that
we
cool?
go. There we go.
Okay.
He's
All right.
in.
Well, Malcolm will be the voiceover person, but I want you all to take it away. Take it away, MeloDious.
Why lie, he asked me. I don't try, just trust me. He laughs and cries at the irony, but I could tell by the look in his eyes he could never leave. And is it the way the look you get me right now that keeps me away, or is it the way you try to criminalize me in every way? Or maybe it's when you won't look me in my eyes that drives me insane. But you knew who I was from the start. This is the price you pay. Ooh, up, 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 up. 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 When I promised you my love, when this all began, I didn't think that you would hold me to it. I'm not used to the demand. I'm trying my best, I'm failing the test, but not 'cause I cheat, and I swear, you'll always get the best of me. Yes, and is it the way the look you get me right now that keeps me away, or is it the way you try to criminalize
All right. Yeah, I'll sing a little bit. Oh, yeah, the Siblings Trio, they are giving us this live performance right now, and you can learn more about the Siblings on our website, kpix.com.